couple things I want to be able to do. Why is there a source there actually? This is the home directory. Interesting. Do I do anything with Snap? Okay, I guess I do. That's Firefox. I don't know. Feels like we can delete Snap. So one thing I want to do would be go to documents, go to projects, right. I think I could just remove this, to be honest. Yeah. Because there's no need for it in my, oh, snap, I forgot to do this. Might be. I am streaming. It's just, I am streaming a game. Yeah, so one thing I want to revive. Do I still? Yeah, nothing with Ross. Okay. Do that another time. Oh man, I gotta sign in. Let's see. I'll do that over here then. How dare they? I haven't logged in this computer in a long time. How dare they ask me to do it again because they don't recognize this computer. Two-factor authentication. Let's see. I should probably make this code a little bit more usable. Wait, hold up. Oh no. No way. Wait, is this it? This might be it actually. Oh my god. This. Ah, okay. There we go. This one. Got a little scared because I was like, man, I did not include any of the ROS 2 stuff. Oop. Got a little scared there. I have two directors. One of them I should delete probably, to be honest. But we'll make it work in a bit. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, it's still on my calendar. Disgusting. Okay, so let's figure out. I'll just go to 0 track. We'll go to 0 track, do a random question. Do you guys update to 460? Oh, you guys are updated. Okay, let's do this one. 3627. 3627. It's probably oh, that's a medium? Oh, interesting. Real interesting. Three 3627. All right. So we're in C++. So okay, you're given an integer array nums with a length divisible by 3. So it's multiple of 3s. Okay. You want to make the array empty in steps. In each step, you can select any 3 elements from the array, compute their median, and remove the selected elements from the array. Right. I see, and then we have this, so we can have like an n log n solution. Right. Yeah, so right. So here's what I'm thinking. I don't know if this is right, guys. I'm gonna keep it bug. I never know if it's right or not. So something I've noticed to like maximize the sums is we basically take the lowest element, and then again, I don't know if this works for all of them, but then we take the 2 max elements and then you combine them. And once you combine them into like a subarray or a subsequence, some sequence of 3, you just take the second largest number, and then that would be your addition. So what I'm thinking of doing is like step 1 is sort out the array. And then step 2 is basically, not really sure how I'm going to do this yet, but take the lowest element and the highest 2 elements. Because if there's not another 3 in here, the maximum would be 4, right? If this 3 was a 2, let's say if this 3 was a 2 right here, then the maximum would be 4, because then you would take 1, 2, 3, and then you would also take 1, 2, 2, and the median of those, both of those would be 2. And within here, the second highest is the median. Yeah, so I would sort it out first to figure out the whole like locations of everything, and then probably iterate by 1 from the left hand side, and then you can figure out where you're at decrementally for the last 2 numbers. Do this via a for loop, right? So if we think about this, if we do this, right? Yank it, paste it. Oops. Right. So if we sorted num, it'd be just basically 1 1 2 2 3 3, right? And what I'm proposing is basically 1 3 3 and then 1 2 2. Would there be any edge cases here? If we added a 2 right here, this would be 2 2 2, and it will be still give you the same results. Should still be 5. Yeah. If they're all 2, it would still be 5. If like this is all 2, it should still be 5. You take this and you take that, it's still 5. You won't increase it. Oops. Right. So, and then another thing to notice is if this is a 4, it's still a 5, because there's no way you can have this as a median. Like you can't have the highest number as a median unless there's multiple highest numbers. So I think this is the way to go. And the way that we would do it in the for loop, we basically have like a left. Oop. Yeah. Keep escaping on accident. And then you start like incrementing by that, like I guess you have two R's, right? And then you just go by here. Yeah, you do 0 and then 0 plus or 0 minus 1 on the right hand side of the length. Yeah. And then if it's index 1, then you do 2 times 1. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So I think we can code it like that. Yeah. But to be honest, we only kind of need this value right here. We don't even need to take into account that. And add that to the answer. So yeah, let's code it up. Right. And this is going to be an n log n solution. Sort nums dot begin, nums dot end. Yeah. Then we're going to do a little for loop. And we'll do int I is 0. I is going to be less than yeah, this should still work. Okay, so yeah, we have nums.size and it'll be divided by 3. Yeah, because if it's a size 3, we want to go from 0 to 1, right? And 1 not included. It's exclusive. So yeah, I++. Yeah, so we have this. And to be honest, we don't need to do anything. We just need to do... I guess we should also have this, huh? Int and is equal to nums.size. We'll just do n right here. And then we'll do like just to really hammer in this median index is equal to n minus 2 times I. Yeah. So 2 times I plus 1 That should be it, right? So what's the size? This is 6. I might have to do one more. Because we want this to be index 5 minus 1, right? So let's look at this. Oh wait, I think I included that in here. Or maybe I didn't actually, I lied to you. See, so this is the 0 index. And we want index 4 right here. So we already got 5 from n minus 1 over here. We could always do n minus 1 right here. And then minus 2 times I, which is 0, plus 1. So that would make this one index 4, which is right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right. Okay. And then if it's 1, if the index is 1, so we still have 5 right here. 5 minus basically 3, because 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is index 2, and that's right. Okay. Looks like that should work. I might have overcomplicated it, but I think it still works out. So then we just do answer plus equal to nums and then median index. All right, and then we just return answer, call it a day. No, let's go. We at least passed these 2 tests, which is pretty good. Let me do something real quick. Let's see. Oops. Not pushing now? Interesting. Let me... Oh, it got skipped, that's why. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Because there's like no differences. Oh wait, what am I doing? And then Lily, submit. Let's see. Do we pass, guys? Let's go! I wonder if there's an O of n solution. Let's check out if there's an O of n solution. But I think n log n would be the optimal. Let's see, sort it, yeah. Yeah. So we were on the right track. Seemed like that was the best way. Oh, I was like, wow. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's less computation. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these are real difficult. 1700. Let's see. Okay, 3628. That's probably like my upper limit. Don't know if I can do that one. 3628. 25%. I'll look at it at bare minimum. You're given a string S consisting of uppercase English letters. Okay. This looks like a DP problem. I'll give it a buck to you. I take L's on those, dude. I take some L's. This looks like very DP. The reason why I say it looks like a DP is because you would insert... I feel like you could insert a T at the end. And you would get 4 subsequences still, right? Like 0... Oh, right. Because if you insert this one, yeah. Because then you get 0, 1, 4. Yeah, and 0, 1, 3. Yeah, 0, 1, 3 and 0, 1, 4. And then you do 0, 2, 3 and 0, 2, 4, right? So it did it. I feel like for these like basic examples, because this one you can't do anything, right? Because there's only one. But for these like basic examples, it feels like you could just do any. You could do L or T. But yeah, I don't know the solution. So it's like a semi DP. If you're doing like pre-compute stuff, yeah. Not for me, brother. Not for me. Yeah, I was thinking of doing like a mock practice. Let's see, what's in 431? Wait, I might have actually done that one. I don't know what contest I've done. Oh, I actually did do... Wait. No, I did not do 431. Okay. I was like... Yeah, and as you can tell, I'm not that good, man. I'm pretty... How do you say? Garbage. You get one solved. It's hard, man. It's hard these days. Yeah. Let's do... Yeah. let's try to do some 1400s to 1600s. I see. High access employee. This looks interesting. It looks disgusting now that I see how big the freaking word problem is. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. $2,933. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, let's see. Okay, you're given a 2D zero index array of strings. Access times. Okay. Access times with size n. Okay, a 2D zero index array strings. For each I represents the name of the employee. So the first index or zeroth index of each row is the name of the employee. Oh, so it's an n by 2. It's an n by 2 array. You can think of it as just a vector of pairs. The access time is represented as a 4-digit. It's 4 digits using 24-hour time format. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Access times at the start and end of the day are not counted within the same. Ah, okay. I'm not sure what the Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing looks like there won't be any Rust today, guys. I think I might have lied. So what I'm thinking of doing I'm thinking of doing a hash map. So the hash map, so the key will be, yeah, so let's just say hash map, right? Oh my God, what the? So hash map where it goes, what do they say, ID number? Okay, there's just name. It goes name to a vector of times, right? And then so first step would be convert the 2D vector to a hash map. Yeah, that seems like that would be the best option. Most flexible option. And then iterate through the hash map. And then what we can do is if vec size is less than 3, just continue. We don't have to check it because we know for a fact that they don't fall within a like 1 hour time period. Oh, this one gets a little tricky. I see. So one thing that we can get away with is like an n squared solution. It looks like. All right. But if it's not, if it's 3 or greater, then we start converting. Convert. Oh. Well, either way, we convert the. Oh, I guess we could do this in here. What I'm thinking is converting the times to integers. So we don't have to do that here. The difficulty that I'm trying to figure out right now and it looks like we can get away with this. Since the input size is so small, we can do like an n squared solution. And the reason why I'm suggesting that, like a brute force method, I can't think of an easy way of doing this, because like for this example, right? For this example, the hash map, if we only do like the A, right? Because like we don't care about B right now. That gets continued because the vec size is less than 3. It would be of what? 549, 532, and 621. Right. Like if we go in order of this will get pushed into like in this manner. I guess the best thing to do would be sort this out. Yeah, a better solution would be to sort it out. Yeah. And the reason why you can sort it out and then you can have like a sliding window. Because what I was planning on doing was like, oh, this minus this. If the absolute difference is less than 100, then I would keep continuing. And if I find something else that's less than 100, but that could mess up. That can mess up pretty easily. Because it could be like a 2-hour window in that regard. Because let's say this is 450, right? And this is 640, right? This would fail, right? Because if I say it passes this and then it passes this and it fails. So yeah, the best solution is else sort, right? Yeah, because this will then turn into 532, 549, and 621, right? And at this point, then we just iterate through it, 0 to n minus 2, and being the size of this, and only check this value and the I plus 2 value, and if it's within the time window of 100, less than 100, then we're good. So if 99 or below, and the reason why we do that, we're able to do that, is because in this like 24-hour time frame, which is pretty nice. Oh. Oh, well, we actually, we're still fine actually. This works, so yeah. This even works if there's like, if it's within like, if there's like multiple, if there's more than 3. Yeah, because if there's more than 3 access times within 1 hour, this still works because it's less than 100. Yeah. Okay. Check I. Check the. I guess the difference, because we're guaranteed at this point that the this side is greater than anything before it. Between I and I plus 2 time values, and if less than 100, break, and add to the answer. Right. Yeah. So that seems the most pragmatic way, I believe. Oh, we got some job frames. That's not nice. Okay, so let's try to answer that. Let's try to code it up. So for int I, 0, I less than access times. Oh yeah. And then we could do unordered, yep, int key, which is string. And then we have a vector of integers. It should work. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else I gotta do? Nope. How do I do end of line again? I think it's, yeah. Okay, so let's just write this. Oh, disgusting. We keep getting this error, so let's we can figure that out in a bit. Okay, so oh, I messed up the for loop. So access times dot size, because I get distracted easily. Right. So yeah. So oh, I never named it either. Oh, check-ins. So check-ins of the row index let's do name is equal to access times I, just so we don't get lost in the sauce of all the brackets. And then int time is equal to, can we do like stoy? Yeah, stoy. Access times I1. Yeah. So check-ins name dot push back. Time. Just so it's a little bit more understandable. Yeah. So we convert everything to integers and then into the hash map. Okay. So now we do auto. I think I could do this key. Can I do that with a back? And then times. We can just call it name times. Yeah. Okay, so oops. And then it's supposed to be check-ins. I think this is how you write this unpacking. Sir Elfman, what are we learning? To be honest, I don't know what this is really teaching me. I think it's teaching me how to use a hash map, how to sort things, because we're technically doing like a sliding window. So it's like multiple, or at least the method that the solution that I'm thinking of and hopefully implementing right. It's combining understanding of the data structure of vectors, hash maps, and also doing a sliding window and sorting it. Yeah. Homie, dude, because I need to get a job, bro. And if I ever get an interview with doing Leetcode, I don't want to bomb it anymore. Why? Is it that bad? What's it? What is it? Also, are you a huge fairy tale fan? Let's see, name and times. Why would a mechanical engineer need a Leetcode? Oh, it's because I don't really do mechanical engineering work. I guess I switched over to software. I mostly do like robotic algorithm stuff. I could show you a bit. Yeah. I mean, my thesis was software application focused, so let's see, name and time. So if times that, excuse me, is less than 3, just continue. And if not, then we do times do sort times that begin. Oh. Can't be const if I'm sorting it. Yeah. You thought I'd be creating the next MacBook designs? I technically should have. I should have done more mechanical design stuff. I actually like that type of work. Like seeing things come like through fruition, like working with your hands. That's actually nice. And let's do How about yourself, King? What do you do? What are you doing in life? No. Ah, interesting. You regret not doing electrical. It's not too late, dude. It's, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's like you just start building things like having some building blocks. Just get a Raspberry Pi and then see what you can do with it. Sort times begin. I mean, I still suck at electrical engineering, so I can't really be talking that much. I just gotta make sure that it has the right power. Yeah. So, what am I doing again? Oh yeah. So I sorted it. Check the difference between So int I is equal to 0. I is less than n minus 2. Yeah. I plus plus. And then we do the int diff is equal to times I plus 2 minus times I. Then if diff is less than 100, that means we have more than 3 times within an hour. Then we do answer dot push back name, and then we just break. We can just break right there, and then it will just continue on. Yeah, and then return answer. Let's see. Oh, let's go, guys. So this is like a n log n solution. Yeah. Which is probably an overkill for this type of question, but I think that's the optimal. Yeah, because we do sliding window basically right here. We combined a hash map with a vector. Do a little sorting so we can actually do the sliding window instead of doing like an n square solution. Yeah, so let's submit. Let's submit if I have any edge cases. Hopefully there are no edge cases. Let's go, guys! Yeah, so I mean part of building things is designing. I think designing like all the electric boards is like kind of tough because like I see my friend do it. He majored in mechanical engineering just like me. Except for he had a minor in electrical engineering and he really got into mechatronics and things like that. The things that he does is I find crazy. Like, yeah. Send you this Leetcode link? Oh, sure. It's question 293, 2933. Yeah. Yeah. Messed up copying and pasting. I'm not on my Mac. Oh no. That's weird. Oh, I can't actually type. That's weird. Gotcha. What are you up to these days, man? Like, what's it? Do you Oh, you're building a programming. Like one of my other viewers is building his own programming language. It's an interpreter, not a like a compiler or like a compilation of any sort, but they use like very similar design. I thought it was really interesting. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's tough. There's a lot of similarities with compilers and what people call nowadays AI, especially with like the tokens. There's a lot of similarities. Oh wow. Yeah. I don't mind checking it out. Let me. I don't know if you don't want to see this, but I'm gonna look up the optimal solution. Oop. Just because. Yeah. Okay. Cause I like seeing people's solutions to things. See if I. What the. I'm gonna give it a buck, dog. What? Okay, yeah, that's the way to do it. Somewhat, I guess. I guess we have the... Dang, some people... Yeah. So basically people have like a very similar solution as me, which is nice to know that I think of something somewhat optimally. This was Leetcode rated 1537. Nice! I'm sometimes a 1500. That's good to know. Oh, it's Python E-type? Yeah, that's totally fine, brother. Yeah. Let's see. That's cool how you made it a web-based. That's good to like get people started and like the barrier to entry is much lower. Yeah. You got ray tracer? Oh, you're crazy, dude. No way. Oh, you're crazy. Oh, you can't move around? Gotcha. Is this the opaqueness? Yeah. Oh, no, this is the radius size. Ah, that's the radius size. Or some type of size. I assume it's the radius. Yeah. Let's see. Be very surprised if it wasn't radius. It's cool. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't like this code, right? What I'm looking at right now. How is this Python-y? I guess there's Python-esque, but like it's very typed. So, since you're using a compiler, it's very typed. It's like I guess you can say it's like a typed, statically typed Python language, ish. Yeah. Yeah. I just implemented function overloading. Ah, gotcha. Oh, you just implemented function over. Oh, snap. That's what's up. So you're getting to what is it called? Polymorphism. That's cool. Falling sand. And I the one thing I do like is you have like this. I don't know how you did this, to be honest. What I mean, what I don't get is the. I assume that you're using a using some library in the back end to get like this ray tracing one going. Oh, dude, you're very technical. The Mandelbrot set? Yeah. Actually, never know how to pronounce it. And then you got Fibonacci. Yeah. Nice. What is this running on? Oh, interesting. Yeah. No, I don't want cheap followers, bro. Well, I do want free followers. I want followers who watch me for me. Yeah. Oh. Ah, I see. Okay. I was like, man, I'm just waiting for the sand to come up. What are your comments like? How do you comment? Ah, this is the comment. Let's see. And it's Python-esque with this. Oh, no. It's just, it's like regular comments here. What is up? Since this is a compiled language, I assume that if I change some code, it won't change anything after it's ran, right? Yeah. Makes sense. I see. That's cool. Yeah, what's the back end for like the visualization? Because I don't see like because I don't know what this import environment is. Like what libraries you're using in the background? Because this can't be just all the code, especially when you're doing like visualizations like that. That'd be wild, bro. Oh snap! Oh, I didn't die. I should have died there. This game's giving me like ways to live too much. Which is fair. You want people to keep playing. It's cool how it's interactive. Let me... Ah, I died. Okay. Oh, it keeps going too. That's crazy. Yeah. Do this update draw thing. Nice. Oh, so does your language not have like switch cases like Python? It's not a huge deal. I was just wondering. Wait, didn't Python implement Python? Didn't they? I forgot which version. Didn't they do a switch case? Like 3.13 match. No. I thought they did. Was it not that? Yeah. Python 310. That's when they did it. I'm not a Python expert. Yeah. I'm not a Python expert by any means. But I have been writing a little bit more Python lately. Unfortunately, or fortunately. Okay, so this is okay. So WebAssembly. This compiles to WebAssembly. That makes sense since we're on the web. Oh, so my computer's running it. That's good to make the client do that. And we connect the graphical stuff through JavaScript. Oh, gotcha. Just came to Studio, okay. Who's we? Are you working with somebody on doing this? Oh, you can now cast anything to a string. That's good. Oh, I see. So this is very Python-y. It's like a statically typed Python language. Some of it reminds me of like C++, and then some of it reminds me Python. What's the programming language called? Is it Sith? Oh, it would make sense. Or Scythe, C and Python combined. I want to keep the match keywords for switching on generate. I see. So I see where the inspiration is like coming from. Is your like what are you trying to solve with this language? Are you just doing it as like a personal project, or are you trying to do it as a like trying to fill up a space in the like programming world? For instance, like Rust is trying to make sure that like programs are have like safe memory management. Python is just trying to make it more user friendly, or like get programming into like a more accessible. Is this trying to solve anything? Just for fun? To learn C mostly. Is that where your compiling language is? Yeah. What is this code in? Is this code in C? Oh, I see. I've never. Well, I guess I did take a course at once upon a time in Java, but I didn't really learn anything. Oh yeah, you're a beast to doing this in C. That's what's up. Is there source code out there, or is it private? Perfectly chill if it's private. I totally understand that. Not yet. Gotcha. No worries. No. I'm not trying to rush you or anything. Just wanted to see how it was programmed. Did you do all this from scratch? Did you vibe code any of it? Oh, this sounds difficult. It's an easy? It just sounds difficult, bro. I'm kind of scared of it, to be honest. It looks kind of scary. Separate black and white balls. Okay. 2938. Oh wow, that's good. It's also good to like get some back and forth with like an LLM to check over if you're like on the right track or if they have any suggestions. Sometimes I look at their suggestions of like how I could code something a bit better, and I'm like, damn, I didn't think about it like that, and I don't know. It kind of opened me up to like, how do I say? Just exploring different solutions. But it's good that an LLM can understand your language and like try to write in it. That's cool. When did you graduate? Yeah, generics and like templates are hard. I got into templates in C++, and then I started understanding generics a lot more when coding in Rust. And I'm trying to learn how to do generics in C++, but the thing is, it's not the same. It's a bit difficult. I'm not. If you ask me to write a generic in C++, like I couldn't do it. Okay, so there are n balls on a table. Each ball has a color black or white. So 1 or 0. Okay, you're given 0 index binary string. Okay, so one is black, 0 is white. Okay. In each step, you can choose 2 adjacent balls and swap them. And they have to be adjacent. Oh, okay, so we want it to be basically 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's the basic gist. And then we keep track of and then we keep track of all the switches we do. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sir Elfman. Really appreciate it. Let's see. You had to graph coloring to avoid recursive templates? Recursive templates? I've never heard of that. Also, the generics I implemented are C++ based, which suck in my opinion. They are known as duck-typed generics. Oh, interesting. I don't know what that means. What does duck-typed generics mean? Oh, okay, gotcha. Have a good night, Sir Elfman. Really appreciate you talking with me and sharing your programming language. It was really interesting. Let's see if I can solve another question. We're trying to find the minimum number of steps. So this is I feel like we would have to do like a two-pointer approach. But it's kind of hard to tell. Cause there's okay, let's look at the. Oh, hey Yoshi boy, thanks for the follow, mates. Really appreciate it. So if we let's just do like this really weird binary. Oh, you've been lurking. Oh, thank you. I seem like a chill guy. I hope to be. I will say sometimes when I play some video games, I crash out. I'm trying to be better at not crashing out. But I think my competitiveness makes me crash out a bit. So I hope to be even chiller. How's your day been? Or evening? Or both? So I'm trying to figure out the pattern here. I don't really know what to like necessarily do. Is it like what's the answer to this? Because if we keep editing it, right? So edited. Right. So let's see. 1, 0. Let's simplify it. Yeah. So this 1 is already maximum to the right, so we just skip it. So we can have like a left and maybe a right pointer. I'm not really sure myself. Left and a right. I can't really tell. So this right we don't do anything with, so we just keep going. But this left, we keep switching until we find a 1. Yeah. So you just switch it until you find a 1. Or 1 to its right. Right? And if that's the case, we check if this right is a 0. If this right's a 0, then we just keep switching it. Oh, this is getting complicated. Yeah, I don't really understand how to really switch it. It looks like Oh, that's more than understandable. Oh, thank. And I'm gonna just gave up on my own system using Quick Shell and decided to use someone else's thing. Yeah. What's Quick Shell? Quick Shell. Ah, I see. So it's what I have on top. Or it's something to design things like my status bar. It uses Qt. I don't know what Qt Quick is, but I assume it's something with Qt. Ah, yeah. This looks nice. To actually, what do they call it? Rice your machine? Yeah, my rice is kind of lame. It's kind of basic. Didn't really go too hard. I'm assuming you're using like horizontal, like similar to me, right? Let's see. How do I? It's been a while since I've done it. Can I not do it? Oopsie daisy. Is it not working? Am I? Oh my god. What is going on here? Yeah, we need to. I'm just gonna write and quit. I have no idea what just happened right there. Just keep quitting. 2938, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, I did something there that I shouldn't have been doing. Yeah, so if I... Yeah. Assume you have something like that. Ah, yeah. Let's do that one more time. I guess it doesn't like it when it, like, is halved. Like the UI. Anyway, I don't know how to code this. Ah, I see. What's your operating system? I've had that happen to me before. I am a huge proponent of just using other people's systems. Not trying to spend too much time on that. So I'm trying to figure out how to... I don't do well with these types of questions. So they're looking for some manner. So this is just one since it's... Okay, let's look at this one more time, right? So we can have like an L and R, right? And then we just go right here. But how do we know how much we need to switch? Because at this point we do like 0 and 1, and then we've done 1 at this point, right? Is there a way to iterate through this? Okay guys, it's been a while since we're gonna do something called looking at hints. Did that mean pop up? Oh, there you go. Download. No. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think I have an idea now. So we don't do anything with this. Do we just count? Okay, if my theory is right, so this is 1. So this answer should be 3. Yeah, let's do this. If I give that... Why didn't I see this before? That's crazy, Samir. Please be 3. If it's 3, then I think I understand the pattern. I don't have a proof for it, so it is yeah. So we know that we have to switch for every 1 on the left hand side. On the left of a 0, then we know that we should switch that number of 1s with this 0. So for instance, if it's like this, the answer is now 7. The answer is now 7. Right. And it kind of makes sense, to be honest. Right, so case number 4 should be 7. So 1, 2. Yeah, so it's 7. Yeah, that makes sense. And the reason for that is because you need to switch all these 1s with the 0. And every single 1 before this 0 also needs to be switched. So this needs to be also converted to get to the left hand side. That makes sense. I see. So basically the idea is to like have a pointer and you count the number of 1s And anytime you see a 0, you add the number of 1s to the answer. That's the pattern you're supposed to see. Oh, I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted I didn't see that. Yeah. Endeavor OS. Oh, okay. Have a good night, Yoshi boy. Hope to see you later and we can talk later in life. Have a good night, mate. I just got really excited on like after giving a hint to like see that pattern, which I should have seen earlier. Unfortunately. So now you just gotta this is an int. So int count 1s. 0. This is just for int I is equal to 0. I what's the size? I plus and then int is equal to a toy stood a toy of SI. And if thou is equal to 1, maybe count plus, and then else we do answer plus equal to count 1s. Keep everything the same. So sad. Like after you see that pattern, it's alright. Just this is annoying. Alright, undo. What the minus I didn't want to do that one, but we can do it. It should give me a 0 or 1. Yeah. Implicitly convert it, which again I'm not the biggest fan of. It's looking for a char pointer. It's disgusting. You should have noticed that pattern. It happens to the best of us, guys. It happens to the best of us. Even though I'm not the best, I'm much not that. Okay. Well. we did it, guys. With the hints, I was able to solve a, what was it, 1400, 1300, 1500? 1400 question. I'm disgusted I didn't notice that. I was trying to brute force it with like actually trying to switch them. When you should notice a pattern, right? Okay, I'm not reading that. Oh, I guess you could always. I'm stupid. You didn't have to even convert it. Oh well. And he did this this casting. Okay. I'm gonna call it a night. Did 3 questions. That's pretty chill. Should have, yeah. So I did 3 questions. One of them with the hints, all mediums, around 1400 to 1600, 1500, whatever it is. Pretty chill. Tomorrow I might start working on my project. We'll see how I feel. But anyway, I hope everyone has a good evening. Peace out, Girl Scouts.